Good morning, guys. I'm just stopping by. I brought some breakfast to Denise and her family. I just helped them sell this house and also buy another house. So let's check in with them. Let's see how the moving process is going. So, hey, follow me.
So the purpose was to upgrade to a slightly bigger home so that everyone in my family could have a bedroom. That was one of the biggest reasons. The hardest part was the timeline for repairs. So kind of crunch time for us because we needed to get done by a certain amount of time. Isaias is great. He helped us get our very first home. So this was our first home ever that we were able to buy, and we could not have done it without him in the first place. He was able to obviously give us options to what would be the best route when it came to our loans, when it came to what type of repairs. He made the process very easy. If we had any questions, he was there to answer those questions. We're excited to start fresh, to start a new chapter. We're also sad because this was our first home. And so we are gonna miss it. However, we're really excited to start fresh and have a new journey.